Reach It has came up with, no worries, nothing fell apart this time. We just dropped something. Oh hell no.
I knew my day would come around this time. Just had to cleanse my soul and free my mind.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So today, this morning, I got a knock on the door early, and I got this package. So let's see. Make sure it's mine. Package inside of a package. This is FedEx Express shipping too here. Confirm. By the way, I didn't pay for any of this either, so let's see what I got. I have a feeling I know what it is. Yep. More unwrapping. So they packaged this sucker twice, but they didn't really have to, but this is the customer service that you will receive. Look at this. That's right. Reach It has came up with, no worries, nothing fell apart this time. We just dropped something. Look at this. Instruction manual on how to put the belt clip on. So it looks like they have put in way more glue on this piece with the turning. I can definitely see there is even glue almost coming out the edges. So it looks like that's got some goodness on it, and it looks like here as well, so much so that there's actually glue access on the plastic piece. So yeah, that's where it is there. So we got that, and then if I turn it and I pull on this just a little bit, I'm not ripping on it, but that works. That works really good. So here's the new clip. This clip hasn't changed, I don't believe. Let me just grab this one off camera real quick. This is the old, I think this is the same thing. Yeah, so these, it looks like these haven't changed any. This is the new one that just came. But this for sure changed on it. The shipping on this was definitely came quick. I will say that looks good. It looks like there's some more glue on it. I still think that piece is going to have to change. That I'm not sure exactly what they'll be getting into. Probably some sort of a metal piece, but yeah, overall, hey, I'm happy with it. Thank you, Reach It, for sending that so quick. And I appreciate it very much, Perry. I appreciate that. This is cool. This is cool. This is going to work so well. So when this goes up through in the summertime, let's say, or some of you guys just carry this part on your belt for some reason. I'm not sure why people don't wear a work belt. I couldn't imagine just having, maybe they're the guys that walk around and just do the old carry the bucket method. I will say though, I'm going to be doing a review on the Gunslinger, and it will be coming out this Friday. Definitely be a lookout for that, because there's some things that need to be said about it. So take a look at that. I love you guys. Thanks again for sending this. I appreciate it. That was quick. Their team was like on it. As soon as it arrived, matter of fact, I got the message that it arrived this morning. But yeah, this is the old. Out with the old, in with the new. Oh, hell no.
I knew my day would come around this time.